Okay, good evening, everybody. The session of Khaita today we will do like this. We will sing once the song Denpa. Denpa is a very important song, and so after singing we will watch a video with Rinpoche, Chojananka Norbu, explaining why this song is very important. And it is the first song of Mekor collection, is also in a Message from Tibet collection. It's important because it's a key to understand the sense of Khaita. So we will hear directly from our master. Then we will watch once the dance, and I will explain the choreography because there are many mudra, many movements that represent the meaning. So I will explain, so then everything will be hopefully clear. Okay, so we start singing once.
Oh, this is called music for dancing. It's very important. And also, particularly this sound in the dance is very important. Because, for example, I am interested of the listening Tibetan sounds, etc., with this sound. When I heard this, then I thought, oh, must listen a little. Because I am not interested of the sounds and the people singing. I never interested. I am more interested of the docent teaching, some practice, etc. But when I heard this, then I understood, it is very, very important, because this meaning, what is it saying? You remember this word? Yeah, the translation, maybe if translated well. For example, falling down like water, no? Same way also in our mind, then always continuation of our thoughts, etc., without interruption, always come out. Runa to the paketama, what is related with our language and everybody. When we are starting to grow up, we are talking, we are communicating, no? So these are then root of the melody is the root of our life. This is the true melody related with our mind. The next is saying, how is our kindness each other, because we are being in the same image, It's just like a river, Yaluntombo, without interrupting. There is no measure, always infinity. Dunga like Chomolomani, Dunga it means our then a feeling. Seva it means a kindness, but Dunga it means a feeling. We are knowing each other, should pay respect, etc. Dunga like that is just like a Chomoloma Everest, very high level which we have. This is related with our commitments of everybody. We are being in a sense family, and we are paying respect, etc. Just like a note of the Vajra. This is the really melody of the sense of the melody, what we are singing. Then next is saying, sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are very sad, but in any condition which we have. For example, for remembering that, we are carving or making stones and drawing on the mountains, for example. Yes, the letters, etc. What we feel, happiness and also sorrowful, all problems. Just that is related with the falling waters, always. We are trying to go ahead, just like water, always, without interrupting, even we have many problems and difficulties. How is our happiness and how is our sorrowful problems, everything related with our condition of the karma, then we are bringing this in melody. With a melody we are communicating. These are really melody of the real sense, pure melody. Meaning is this. When I saw this, I thought, oh man, I need to really listen a little songs. They are really communicating. This is very important. They are not going in the street saying against our government, saying that something. But they are singing melody. When they are singing, also people, they like to sing and they are listening, and then they are singing and they are thinking a little. Slowly receive the education It is very, very powerful. Then the next day, the non-church telling me, you are me, just me. I am just like you. We are being in the same family. Our aim and our desire, everything is the same. So we are then being together. This is really then truth of the then condition of the melody. This is the conclusion. Okay, now we finish. Now try to read it.
you see that all what Rinpoche say about the melody and the connection between people, and this is symbolized by the symbol of Khaita, that is the infinite note, that like energy without interruption, or melody without interruption, that connect everybody, because the infinite note in Khaita is on the globe, so it like connect all the places and all the people. So I will explain now the dance. I need some support. Sebastian, Chris, vieni. So as you saw in the video, the dance is in two circles. One circle, basically we stay for almost all song, but in the middle part, when there is the refrain, the musical part, we move. So outer circle goes clockwise direction, inner circle counterclockwise direction. So to show, we will do like this. So I am representing the outer circle, and see, stai qua, almeno così, no? So me and Cristiane, we are represent. Tu fai, ok. Sì, meglio. Because also we cannot see too close. So me and Cristiane, we are the outer circle, and Sebastian is the inner circle. This is a symbol. Try to visualize. You already saw the full choreography, so it should be easier now to get. No? At the beginning, with the first music, we will stay in our place. I mean, we turn around, but stay in our place. Then, all dances, we are exchanging position with the person in front. So it's very important that in the two circles, we have same number of people. So in general, when we start dancing, to check if we have the same number, we do like this, no? We make couple like that, so we know that we have the same number, inner and outer circle. In this dance, we have to do something also with our partner on the outer circle, on the same circle, okay? So we will also check like this, we make couple in both circles, okay? So basically we will do group of 4 dancers. And almost the main choreography is that we exchange a place with the inner dancer. So some moment I will go in Sebastian's place, he will come here. But how we move? So we are like this. We don't move straight. We move making a circle, we will show now. And then coming back to our position, we continue the circle. Okay, so the steps, instead of going straight, we will move like that. This is with mudra, later we will see. And then again, we will move and coming back to our place. No? So always with some mudra that I will explain later. And then with the other partner, we'll see later. So at the very beginning, when there is the intro, musical intro, it's very simple. We just turn to our right side, 4 steps, and left side, 4 steps, and then 4 count, 1, 2, 3, 4, we stay. And then we start. So the first sentence says, from the sky, like what is falling down, like a drop of nectar, that means water or snow. So we do this mudra of the snow coming down. So we start and we do this first mudra like this. And then this is the mountain, that is the source of the snow and of the water. And then one hand come down like the river coming down. And like this. But in Rinpoche commentary, it say, also this is like continuation of our thought that manifests always, continue without interruption. No? So this mudra represents the river, but also a bit inner meaning, our thought. No? Each song has a different level of meaning, like more an outer level, that is the river, and then in the inner, in this moment, is the continuation and manifestation of our thought. Then after this, he say what connects all the people is the language. So mudra of all people we do like this, And then what connects is the language, paquet. So when the singer says paquet, language, we will do this mudra. So we start opening like all people are connecting through the language, paquet. And we come back to our place. And these three are the melody. So every time the song speaks about melody, we do this movement, this mudra, okay? Like soft, elegant, and harmonious, hopefully, we try. So we will do like this, one on one side, melody, and on the other side, and then in front of each other. So 3 times, because the song says these are the 3 melody, okay? Then when there is this refrain, oh, 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 etc., sorry, my voice, we exchange position like this. Oh, 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 and again. Oh, 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 now we give the back to our partner. And then it talks about Zewa, kindness and compassion. So kindness and compassion, we do this mudra, one hand to the open and other to the heart, and then opposite. And he says, this is like a river, like Yarlu Zampo, that is a river, so it means that is infinite and continuous, like a flow, okay? So the mudra will be like this, one side, other side, is like a river. And then, so this was about kindness, and then the other sentence says our feelings, like emotion, that can be sorrowful or happy feeling, they are like mountain, like Mount Everest, so something very high. But in the mudra that I did in the dance, in the choreography, I represented the aspect of the 2 aspects of the emotion, and then they form like a mountain that means going beyond dualism. Okay, so I represented this meaning. So we go like this, one arm, other arm up, then up, and the other form a mountain, and then with the melody tongue, tararararam. Later we will do again with the music. Okay, so both aspects of emotion, then there is not dualism. So both aspects. And then tarararam. Okay, and then he speaks about we are one family, and we are connected by samaya, by commitment. So we turn to the right and we do this movement. And this movement we do to our partner, to the people that are dancing with us in the circle. So it's not just open. I go toward Christiane with this and this to the other dancer. One and the other, because representing the point that we are a family, now we are together, connected. Then we move forward. And then he says, this is our samaya, it's like a vajra, dorje says in the song. So we do like the vajra position like this. And then with music we do this mudra. Okay, so this connection, keeping this connection is part of our samaya. So we go like this. And then again it says, these are the melody. So we do again the melody, one side, another side. And again, the symbol of river, but we do in opposite direction. So, shall we do this part with the music? Can we have the, thank you. And maybe when we do, I will repeat the meaning, no? So we can refresh. Se c'è la musica io posso parlare, We do mountain, like a river coming down. All people, we are connected by the language. And these are the three melodies. Second melody and third melody. Kindness and compassion is easy like a river. We have example. And our feeling we are all connected with our samaya, Vajra position. These are the melodies. And again, like this. Okay, I hope it's clear. It's clear? Okay, then next part is music. So I just say quickly, but we don't do because in the music we move the circle, so we cannot do now. Anyway, with the music we do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we repeat twice. Okay, so we open right arm, and then we turn, we open both arms, and then we open left arm, we turn, and we open both arms. And the count is 4, 4, 4, 4, okay? And then we come back in front of maybe our partner, maybe we change, depends how many people are in the circle, how big it is. Anyway, in the second part, the same principle. Now we will exchange like this, making half circle and again half circle. And the song says, the feeling, again, like sorrowful or joyful feelings, they are written, they are carved in the stones. So every time the song speaks about a joyful and sorrowful feeling, we do with mudra, we do like this, palms up and down, representing like joyful and sorrowful, no? The two aspects. So in this part we will start like this, doing this one time. And then we do this mudra. They are like written, they are carved in the stone. So we do this mudra starting down, up, 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 and we will again make a mountain. Okay? So it will be like this. Da, da, da. Okay, I think we go up, up, and again we do the mountain, because these stones are carved in the mountain. And now again, the joyful and sorrowful feeling are manifesting always. No? So again, palms up, down, up, down, up, down, and step. Okay? So it's a continuation. Our life is like this. There is not interruption in the manifestation of our emotion feeling. And then again, joyful and sorrowful feeling are the real condition, like karma. So we go back to our position, again repeating this mudra. So all this part is about these aspects. So we come back to our position, so we really show up and down. No? It's not just turning, but we show up, down, like joy and sadness. And these are the three melodies. So again, melody in one side, on the other side, and to the center. Then we have the refrain, O, 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 so we do O, 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 Now again we give our back. And now we have to dance with the other partner in the same circle. And here the song says, I am you, you are me. No, we are the same. So we do like this. 1, 2, 3 step. 1, 2, 3. And like that, we turn around, 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 and we come back to our position, but now facing each other. So it's very simple. We don't need to touch, because in general the circle is quite big. But it's very important the intention. Okay, so we go toward each other, right hand, left, and turn. Facing to the center. And then, again, we are one family. So we go toward a dancer on the right, dancer on the left, we go forward. Tarararam. So again, we are connected also with the dancer in front. And then it says we unify our strength. And for this we use the mudra that we use in other dance, like in Zamlingar dance, for example. You remember this mudra, like unifying our strength. So we go like this, and we turn. We turn, and then again we have the symbol of melody, faster. And again we do the river. And then it's repeating again the refrain, oh, 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 oh. So we go. And again repeating, I am you, you are me. So with the same partner we did before, we do this mudra. And exchanging position, coming back to our place. Facing each other now with the two circles. And again we are one family, so open to the dancer, open to the dancer, we go in front, and then down. Okay, until now we are still two circles. Okay, now we need to unify because we are toward the end of the dance. So after this, with this mudra of unifying our strength, we turn, and we do only one circle. That now we are facing like this, but let's imagine that we are facing to the camera, otherwise it's strange, okay? With one circle. And then again we have the melody, so these are the three melodies. So we do one in front, we turn, back, again in front, and then the last, until the end, we do like this, and this is the end of the dance. So we show once the whole dance.
How we do the part with the music?
The part with the music we stay, but maybe you stay there because otherwise we change like that. Yeah. Sì. Chris, vieni qua. So we repeat and try to imagine the circle, no? So I repeat, me and Cristiane, we are representing outer circle, Sebastian the inner, and in the middle part, when there is only music, we will stay. We don't move around, we just stay. Sì, grazie. I will also repeat the mudra while mountain, like a river, water the sand, or our thoughts and we are all connected to the land. These are the three melodies. like a river, Yarlo Zampo. And our feeling like a mountain. Our connection is like Vajra, it's Samaya. And these are the melody. The river. Okay, now we move, but we stay. Yes. And both arms. Positive and negative feelings are carved in stone of the mountain. And again, joy and sorrow, they alternate continuously. And again, joy and sorrow are like karma, it's our condition. And these are the three melodies. We are all connected. We unify our strength. Like a river. Okay, now, I think now with this explanation and the video you can understand, otherwise it's not easy, no? And let's sing again, because we have still some time, a little time. We can sing maybe a couple of times the song, okay? Aspetta un secondo, dico un'ultima cosa. Basta l'audio, non serve video. Mi metto davanti. Thank you. I want to say just last thing. All this material, the song, text, the dance, you can find in the mobile application Khaita.com. So you can write this and you can look and find all this. Thank you very much.